How to double tap the screen on and off on Samsung Android phone. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can turn our phone screen on and off if you are on a Samsung phone. So without any further delay, let's get started. But before getting started, I want you to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So first thing first, you need to go to the main settings of your phone. Just tap on the settings and here scroll down until you see advanced features. You can see this advanced features with yellow icon. Just tap on that feature and here you should be able to see the option called motions and gestures. Just tap on that option here and here you will be able to see the option called double tap to turn on screen and a notification with and a message written under it. You can read the message that says turn on the screen when you double tap it and double tap to turn off the screen. So here are the total options. So what you can do is just enable the options. So when you enable the options, you can see this enable option. You may just enable both of the options, and after that, whenever you double tap your screen on and screen, your screen may turn on and turn off as well. So by this method, you can just double tap your screen to turn on and off your screen on an Samsung Android phone. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.